Hi everyone, welcome to ForTheGeeks. In this video, I'm going to show you a new dash cam that I bought on Amazon website recently. It's a GKU brand dash cam that I bought, and as far as I know, it was just released recently as per the website on 21st September 2024. There is this cable to power up the device. Just plug it into the car's electric system, you know, the cigarette lighter socket. Just plug it in there and the dash cam will get the power it needs. There is this crowbar. It is just used to tuck the cables in very neatly into the car's headliner or internal panels. There is this adhesive tape as well to stick the dash cam to the windscreen. And this is the unit itself. Just 350 grams. It has very nice design. And I forgot to tell you the model of this GKU brand dashcam. It is D200. It is 2.5K dashcam with 170-degree wide angle. I really loved it for the price I got it. It really captures nice footages. I will show you day and night footages later in this video, so stay tuned for that. The really nice thing about this dashcam is that you can watch the videos through the app. So there is this built-in Wi-Fi and app control. So I have had bought dashcams earlier, and the biggest challenge that I faced on that dash cam was it was more expensive than this, but obviously it was like 3-4 years back I bought it. The biggest challenge I felt was that there was no Wi-Fi support. So what I had to do was I had to if I wanted to see some footage, I had to pull out the memory card and put it on the laptop and then go to the file and then view it. That was really challenging, but with built-in Wi-Fi that's really easy. You can just install this JarvisCam app and just pair it with your dash cam, and you can see the footages while you know, the mobile is connected to the dash cam. So let me show you this how you can do that. So once I install this JarvisCam app, just follow the prompts and give necessary settings and click on add camera down here. So it's add new camera. So just turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again if you don't see the dash cam's Wi-Fi, inbuilt Wi-Fi. And if you remember, I did show you where to install the app. On the same helper guide, there is this Wi-Fi name and the password you need to enter to pair it. So this is the Wi-Fi name and I just entered the password. Now my dash cam is connected with the mobile. It takes a bit and then the dash cam gets connected, and you can see it's connected now. I have connected this dash cam to the rear windscreen of my car. So not all cars have it, but my car does have this cigarette lighter socket even at the rear end too. So it was easy for me to use this dash cam as the rear dash cam for my car. Now I will show you some footages. I think you will be interested in how it captures the video. You can see this is the daytime video. It captures the video with very high quality, and such videos are really useful if you get into some unfortunate accident. You can see that it even captures the number plate, so you can share it with your insurer as a crucial evidence. And this is the nighttime footage. Again, it captures the number plate, so it's quite useful in any unfortunate incident. My tip is that when you buy a dash cam, you need to see how good the footages are and how easy it is to connect to your mobile. So I think these two things are very important according to me. Now I will show you how you can operate the app. So I have installed this JarvisCam app that I mentioned earlier, and then my dashcam is connected. So this is a button to pause and you know, pause or stop basically the recording, or play the recording again. This will capture the screenshot. So if you want to capture some screenshot, you can just click on that camera icon. There are these camera files, so all the files get saved in here. So if you want to look at a video, just go to this camera file and look at the timings and download the video to your app, to your mobile. There is this camera setting with which you can control the sound recording, speaker volume, Wi-Fi name and whatnot. It's occasionally good to format your SD card. So when I put this SD card in, I just formatted because I was reusing from my old dashcam. So formatting does improve the performance, I guess, so it's better to do it once in a while. Just to summarize, my 2 cents when you buy a dashcam is, apart from looking at the price, just see how good the footages are and how easy it is to connect with your mobile. I would like to point out that this is just my personal experience. Do some research before buying a dashcam for yourself. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys like this review. Do leave your comments or questions in the description box below. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.